How to manage who can comment on your posts on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it easy and quick. First, open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and after that click these three lines and now click privacy and then click comments, and here we'll find it who can comment on your posts, and here you can manage it. You can make it only for your followers that you follow back or no one, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.